How to transfer from Bitget to your Telegram wallet. So here's a more detailed breakdown on how you can do it. So first thing you want to do is basically access the Bitget wallet within Telegram. So using the Bitget wallet bot on Telegram, you can access your wallet and its features. And then select your cryptocurrency. So choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer from your Bitget balance. And then choose the withdraw or the send button. Now, from the app or in the bot itself in Telegram, you can choose the withdraw or send button on your home page and navigate to the withdrawal or the send option within the Bitget wallet interface. And then enter your Telegram wallet address. So provide the recipient's address of your Telegram wallet, which is the address you want the crypto sent to. And then lastly, enter the amount, which means you need to specify the amount of crypto you wish to transfer, and then confirm and finalize. So review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. And you may also need to follow additional security steps like two-factor authentication according to Zengo. Now, make sure you put the exact details and review the exact order before you do it and confirm the transfer to make sure that there are no mistakes. And that's how you can basically transfer from Bitget to your Telegram wallet.